Welcome to today's review on the CroSight 2.0 electric tricycle. This electric trike is genuinely impressive, offering an amazing combination of power, reliability, and smart features to make every ride enjoyable and stress-free. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this electric tricycle at the best price in the market. Right out of the box, the CroSight 2.0 feels solid and premium thanks to its durable aluminum and stainless steel frame, which balances strength with lightweight maneuverability, making it easy to handle whether you're cruising through city streets, tackling sand, snow, mud, or uneven gravel paths. The 750W brushless spiral motor is the star here, providing smooth acceleration and a top speed of up to 22 miles per hour, paired with a high-performance sine wave controller that keeps the ride seamless and responsive. One of the standout elements is the 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, which are puncture-resistant, vacuum-sealed, and deliver exceptional traction across all surfaces, giving riders confidence even in challenging conditions, while the 1000-lumen headlight ensures visibility and safety during nighttime rides. Comfort is another area where this trike shines, featuring an ultra-wide seat with thick high-density padding, adjustable seat angles, and customizable backrest height, combined with advanced shock absorption that reduces bumps by up to 60%, making longer rides genuinely pleasant without straining your back or tailbone. The tricycle also offers intelligent features like a built-in speaker system for music and navigation prompts, a phone holder for easy access, and a USB port to charge devices on the go, keeping you connected and entertained effortlessly while riding. The CroSight 2.0 offers multiple riding modes including electric, assist, and manual, with a 7-speed gear system that lets you adapt quickly to different terrains, all displayed on the upgraded LCD color screen that shows real-time speed, mileage, and battery life. Speaking of battery, the removable 48V20Ah lithium battery is a powerhouse with 960 watt-hours of capacity, complete with advanced protections against overcharging, overvoltage, and overheating, ensuring not only long-lasting performance but also peace of mind. Safety is never overlooked, with UL2849 and UL2272 certifications guaranteeing electrical safety standards, while the upgraded rear LED taillight with brake activation keeps you visible to traffic and pedestrians. For riders who value convenience, the folding design is incredibly practical, allowing you to collapse the trike for storage in an SUV or compact space at home. While it's packed with features, there are a few things to consider. The trike's size can feel large for tighter urban paths, and full-speed riding on rough terrain may require some acclimatization due to its weight and stability. That said, the pros far outweigh the minor cons, as the combination of high performance, reinforced fat tires, comfort-focused design, and smart connectivity features make it one of the most complete electric tricycles on the market today. Overall, whether you're looking for an eco-friendly commuting option, a fun recreational ride, or a safe, all-terrain solution, the CroSight 2.0 electric tricycle delivers on all fronts, blending quality, safety, and technology into a package that's genuinely enjoyable and practical for adult riders. Don't miss out on exploring the freedom and convenience this trike provides, from its smooth acceleration and powerful motor to its thoughtful comfort upgrades and intuitive features. Click the link in the description below to check it out, grab the best deal, and experience the thrill, comfort, and reliability that this electric tricycle offers, because investing in a ride like this truly changes the way you enjoy outdoor adventures and daily commutes.